Force Motors Sanman is loaded with many advanced features. The premium Sanman range is equipped with the advanced Synchro and Epicyclic, that is S&E Technology. Synchromesh gearbox helps to operate the tractor in the most fuel-efficient zone of the engine. The Synchromesh gearbox, if used well, offers over 10% fuel savings for the tractor. The Synchromesh gearbox enables shifting to the appropriate gear without stopping the tractor like a modern passenger car. Sanman tractor is without doubt proven as the best solution for haulage applications. The new generation tractor for the new generation farmer, Sanman.